आज वाली वीडियो उन सभी एस्पिरेंट के लिए यूजफुल है जो कि तैयारी कर रहे हैं HPSC PGT केमिस्ट्री और RPSC असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर केमिस्ट्री। कल वाली वीडियो में हमने 50 तक क्वेश्चन कवर कर लिए थे। आज वाली वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे 51 नंबर क्वेश्चन से। तो और 51 क्वेश्चन से इज द न्यूक्लियोफाइल आउट ऑफ द फ्लोइंग इज ROH. ROH is a best nucleophile. Aluminium trichloride is Lewis acids. SnCl4 is also Lewis acid. H3O positive also acids. Hence, best nucleophile is ROH. Our next question is which of the following has highest boiling point? N-butyl alcohol is highest boiling point because large surface area. Our next question is which of the following compound has lowest boiling point? Orthocarisol. Our next question is the ratio of carbon atom in naphthalene, anthracene, diphenyl molecules is 5:7:6. Cycloheptatetraene. Which of the following compound is not aromatic according to Huckel-Foran +2 rules? Cycloheptatetraenes. Our next question is the most stable carbon ion among the following is Cbr3 negatives is most stable carbon ion. Our next question is which of the following bonds passes highest value of bond energy? CF bond. Which of the following passes highest value of Kb in aqueous mediums? इसका मतलब Kb की वैल्यू जिसकी ज़्यादा है वो मोर बेसिक होगा। तो हम इसमें मोर बेसिक कंपाउंड देखेंगे जैसे NHC2H5 और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्लोइंग कंपाउंड एग्जिबिट इंट्रामोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग्स। इंट्रामोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग कौन सा कंपाउंड शो करेगा? क्लोरल हाइड्रेट। और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग स्टोवे कंडेंसेशन इज द प्रोडक्ट इज अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड dicarboxylic acids. This is wrong statement. Cannizzaro reaction is not given by. Our correct answer is second, because in this compounds there is alpha carbon having alpha hydrogen atoms. Our next question is the product of Dieckmann reactions is beta keroesters. Wittig reaction is used for the preparation of alkene. Wittig reaction is used PPS3 which change carbonyl into alkenes. Our next question is the main product of reformers की reaction is beta hydroxy esters. The following reaction is an example of. The following reaction is known as RCOOH plus HN3 hydrazine H2SO4 give rise that RNS2 plus CO2 plus N2 is such immediate reaction. In Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, following conversion takes place: ketone to esters. Our next question is ratio of hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen atoms in a molecule of pyrrole is 5:1. Next question is the formation of cyanohydrin from ketones is an example of nucleophilic addition reaction where Cn negative is act as nucleophile. A compound X on aldol condensation form a compound Y which on dehydration give two butanol. X and Y respectively are ethanol and beta hydroxybutanols. Our next question is formaldehyde undergo Cannizzaro reaction in presence of concentrated NaOH solution to form methanol and sodium formate. Our next question is benzaldehyde react with acetic anhydrides in the presence of sodium acetate to form 3-phenyl propanoic acids. This is an example of Perkin condensation reactions. C6H5CHO benzaldehyde plus acetic anhydride CH3CH2 CO2 Na की प्रेजेंस में क्या प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलेगा? अल्फा मिथाइल सिनामिक एसिड्स. Our next question is alizarin belongs to anthraquinoid dyes. Our next question, when chlorine is passed into a cold solution of anthracene in carbon disulfides, flowing is obtained anthracene dichlorides. Our next question, या फिर when benzene diazonium sulfate is bound in ethanols with copper powder, the product obtained is C6H5 C6H5 dibenzene. Our next question is furan undergo the Gutterman reaction to give furfural. Next question is which of the following does not undergo Diels-Alder reaction, which is thiophene, because thiophene is more aromatic in nature, hence more stable, therefore does not give Diels-Alder reactions. Aromaticity is inversely proportional to diene characters. Our next question is the product of the following reaction is, this is Riemann-Tiemann reactions, hence product is metachloropyridine. Our next question is when mixture of acetylene and hydrogen cyanide is passed through red hot tube, the product is pyridine. Next question, which of the following passes lowest value of pKa among the following? Pyrrole. Pyrrole have highest resonance energy, hence highest stability, hence aromatic character is more, hence pKa value is lowest. Our next question is oxindole is almost completely represented by following structures. oxindole की structure है third, option number third. Our next question is pyridine when heated with excess of sodamide in toluene solution, it forms 2,6-diaminopyridine. Our next question is the Friedel-Crafts reaction of benzyl chloride gives anthracene. Next question, when furan react with n-butyl lithium, the product formed are 2 lithium derivative and C4H10. There is acid-base reactions. Our next question, when thiophene is reduced with hydrogen gas in the presence of Re-nickel, it forms butane and nickel sulfates. Which of the following is not correct for pyridine? It is formed by passing a mixture of ethylene and HCN through red hot tube, does not form pyridine. Our next question is the correct RS nomenclature for the following is, first is S nomenclature and second is R nomenclature. Our first priority is bromine, second is chlorine, third is CH3 and fourth is hydrogens, hence anti-clockwise rotations, therefore S configurations. Next is one प्रायोरिटी देंगे ब्रोमीन को, सेकंड प्रायोरिटी क्लोरीन को, थर्ड CH3 को और फोर्थ हाइड्रोजन को, हंस आर कॉन्फिगरेशन क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन. द करेक्ट RS nomenclatures फॉर द फ्लोइंग कंपाउंड्स इज, सेकंड को देंगे S कॉन्फिगरेशन और थर्ड को R कॉन्फिगरेशन. आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द करेक्ट IPSC नेम ऑफ द फ्लोइंग कंपाउंड्स इज EZ2,4 hexadiene. Correct IPSC name of the following compounds is Z1-bromo-1,2 dichloroethene. According to EZ systems, the correct configuration for compound A, B, C is as follows. हंस A Z, सेकंड को देंगे E, B को E और C को Z configurations. Our next question, select the wrong statement among the following. 2-chlorobutane is achiral. Which of the following group is an oxochrome? NH2 groups, because it increase the resonating structures as well as due to resonance lambda value is more, hence shows color, hence act as oxochrome. The different kinds of environment of hydrogen atoms in the molecules in NMR spectra is given by number of signals. जितने ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ सिग्नल्स होंगे उतने ही डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट हाइड्रोजन मिलेंगे. नंबर ऑफ सिग्नल्स इन NMR spectra of ethanol is 3. Our next questions, the range of fingerprint region इन IR स्पेक्ट्रा. फिंगरप्रिंट रीजन होता है 500 to 1500 पर सेंटीमीटर के बीच में. Our next question, the value of m by z for the molecular ion gives for a compound molecular weight. Molecular spectroscopy, molecular weight. The intensity of m plus 1 peak can be used to noun the number of carbon atom only. The free radical intermediate in chemical reaction are best detected by ESR spectroscopy. Our next question, the flowing transformation is an example of neutron bombardment. Our next question is, identify X of the flowing nuclear reaction is lead 208 and 82, atomic number 208 or 82. Our next question is, the SI unit of radioactivity is becquerel. Which of the following nucleide shows branching decay? Which is bismuth 211. The last number of radioactive disintegration thorium series is lead 208. Obstruction in blood circulation. Obstruction in blood circulation may be diagnosed by injection a salt containing sodium. If mass of a proton is p-AMU, mass of neutrons is n-AMU and mass of nucleus is n-AMU, then binding energy of the nucleus is e-AMU into 931.5 मेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. हेयर ई इज, तो ये यहाँ पे ई निकालने का फार्मूला है जी जेड पी प्लस ए माइनस जेड इंटू एन ब्रैकेट क्लोज माइनस एन. और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज नॉट करेक्ट फॉर ए न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन? इट इज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय एक्सटर्नल कंडीशन लाइक एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट. दिस डज नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन एक्सटर्नल कंडीशंस. What is not correct for nuclear fusion? It can be initiated at any temperatures. Temperature coefficient of reaction is equal to K35 divided by K25. Every 10 degrees Celsius rise in temperature, there is double or triple increase in rate of reactions. For the following reactions, select the chain propagation step among the following. Chain propagation step is Br plus H to give rise that HBr plus H, H plus Br to give rise that HBr plus Br both. Next question, half-life time T half for second order reaction whose initial concentration of reactant is A, which is T half is equals to 1 divided by K into A. A is concentration, K is rate constant, T half is half-life time. Next question is, at a given temperature the rate constant of a given reactions in general is equals to the rate of the reactions when concentration of all the reactant is unity. Our next question, unit for rate constant of zero order reactions. Zero order reaction unit is mole per liter per seconds, which is also rate of reaction. Zero order reaction means the rate of reaction is proportional to zero power of the concentration of reactant, does not depend upon the concentration of reactant. According to the salt effect, the rate constant will be independent of the charge on ion if one reacting ion is reacting with neutral molecules. Our next question, what is incorrect from the viewpoint of the collision theory of chemical reaction? All collisions of reacting molecule result into product. What is not correct for the theory of absolute reaction rate? The activated complex formed by the reactant molecule has low energy than the energy of the reactant but more than the energy of the product. This is wrong statement because activated complex has highest energy reactant as well as product. Hydrolysis of ethyl acetate in excess of water in presence of H positive ion is pseudo first order reactions. Our next question, which of the following reaction corresponds to the definitions of enthalpy of formation? Is carbon solid carbon solid plus O2 gas give rise that CO2 gas. Our next question is the species which has 0 Stern molar enthalpy of formation at 298 Kelvin is Cl2 gas. The enthalpy of combustion of carbon and carbon monoxides are this and this respectively. The enthalpy of formation of carbon monoxide per mole is minus 110.5 किलोजूल. इन दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे, ठीक है. Our next question is the enthalpy of neutralization of which of the following acids and base is nearly minus 13.6 kilocalorie is HCl plus KOH. Our next question is Berthollet's equation of state can be given by PV is equals to RT plus PV minus A divided by TV plus AB divided by TV square, which is derived from the ideal gas equations. Our Joule-Thomson expansion is isoenthalpic and adiabatic process. Hence, second is correct answer. Integrated Arrhenius equation helps us to find out energy of activations if rate constant at two different temperature is given. What is not true for thermodynamics? Its laws are applicable on matter in bulk as well as individual atoms and molecules. Heat capacity of a system between two temperatures can be given by C is equals to Q divided by T2 minus T1 delta T. Which statement related to thermodynamics is not correct? Heat is typical form of energy which can be completely transformed to work, but this is incorrect statement because heat is not completely converted into work. Which of the following process is neither spontaneous nor irreversible? Water flow down from a hill, it is irreversible process. Zinc solid plus CuSO4 aqueous give rise to ZnSO4 aqueous plus Cu solids, which is also irreversible process. Diffusion of solute from a more concentrated solution to less concentrated solutions when these are brought into contact. Hence, it is also irreversible process. Hence, correct option is D, which is none of these. Assuming Cv to be constant within the temperature range T1 and T2, the entropy change of n moles of ideal gas may be given as delta S is equals to NCV ln T2 by T1 plus NR ln V2 by V1. Our next question is reduction half cell reactions of H2O to fuel cell is given by O2 gas plus 2H2O liquid plus 4 electrons give rise that O2 gas plus 2H2O liquid plus 4 electrons give rise that 4 OH negatives. Which of the following is used as anode in a commonly used mercury cell? Zinc amalgam. Our next question, what is not correct related to strong electrolyte? Arrhenius theory is proved to be valid when applied to strongly dissociate electrolyte. This is not correct statement. Which of the following steps is not involved in rusting of iron? Half of O2 plus 2 electron give rise that O2 negatives is not involved in rusting of iron. An electrochemical cell represented by this is an example of electrode concentration cell because there is electrode. Zinc amalgams is concentration is different, hence it is electrode concentration cell. Which of the following is expected to have highest reduction electrode potential at 298 Kelvin? F2 gas plus 2 electron give rise to 2F negatives. Which of the following set of cell reactions is not written correctly? Aluminiums give rise that aluminium 3 positive plus 3 electrons. 6 Br negative plus 3 electrons give rise that 3 Br2. A zinc rod is placed in a 0.1 molar solution of zinc sulfate at 25 degrees Celsius. If the salt is dissociated to an extent of 95%, at this dilutions, and E naught value is zinc to positive is minus 0.76 volt. Then the potential of the electrode at this temperature can be given as, which is E naught plus E is equals to E naught plus minus 0.0591 डिवाइड बाई 2 log of जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन दे रखी है वो. तो आंसर इज फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट आंसर. ई नॉट वैल्यू इज माइनस 0.76 वोल्ट प्लस 0.0591 डिवाइड बाई 2 log of 0.095 वोल्ट. Our next question: most abundant element on earth crust is oxygen. In biological fixation of nitrogen, nitrogen is initially converted into NH3 due to nitrogen as such it does not use any animals, hence it is initially converted into NH3. Exposure to vinyl chloride vapors carries a risk of flowing cancer liver. The average concentration of flowing constituent of photochemical smog is in the sequence given below is CO2 is greater than CO is greater than CH4 is greater than O2 O3. Hence this is the order of photochemical smog. During ozone depletions process in nature by chlorofluorocarbons, flowing free radicals are formed except the ClO3 free radicals. Hemoglobin has about 210 times more affinity with the flowing gas than for oxygen, which is carbon monoxide. Bhopal Union Carbide plant was a manufacturing unit for the flowing insecticide is Carbaryl. The greenhouse contribution of flowing gas is maximum CO2. Stratosphere lies between troposphere and mesosphere. Which of the following set belong to greenhouse gases? CO2, CH4 and 2O. In ozone layer, a pollutant acts under the influence of ultraviolet radiation form chlorine atoms, which react with the ozone molecule to form oxygen gas and Y molecules. X and Y respectively are CCl2F2 and ClO. Flowing compounds gives test of CHO group and COOH group is formic acids. Thanks for watching.